The Lookup Transactions window in AAAPOS RetailManager. To view a customer sales order transaction, open the Lookup Transactions window and click on the Sales Orders tab. To view the last transaction, click Show Last. This will open the original transaction window for the most recent transaction. To view older transactions or a list of transactions, enter the relevant search criteria to narrow your search. You can input multiple search criteria to refine your results. The system will display only those transactions that match the criteria you've entered. Each transaction has a date the record was created on. The date range allows you to narrow the search to when the transaction was recorded. View transaction by the staff number of the employee who processed them. Custom-related information is available for searching that includes customer number, name, company, email. Search for transactions that include a specific product by entering the barcode or description of the stock item. You can input a range of sales order numbers to search for transactions within that range. For a specific transaction, enter the same number in both fields. The transaction total range identifies all transactions within the range. Select the status of the sale order transactions you're searching for. The custom field is a versatile, free text field that is available in the sales window. It is designed to capture additional information relevant to the transaction. The customer's phone number, including phone numbers recorded in the delivery address, is available to locate transaction. You can enter a part of the contact number for the search too. For example, of searching customer sales orders by a customer name, order status, and date range. Select from the 1st of February to the 10th of February. You may enter either the customer number or partial text from the customer's name, email, or company name to filter transactions. For instance, entering Donald will display a list of customers whose details match this term, Donald. Then, click on the customer you're looking for. Choose one of the order statuses from drop-down list. For example, pending. After entering your search criteria, click Update Grid or press F10 on your keyboard to refresh and display the results. This search will show all pending customer sales orders associated with Donald Sunstrup during the specified date range. Tips for effective searching. For narrowing down your search, the more specific your search criteria, for example, sales order numbers, customer name, or order status, the more accurate the results will be. Use multiple filters, such as combining filters like a date range, customer name, and order status can help you locate the exact transaction you're looking for. Use the status field if you know the exact order status of transactions you're searching. The order status field can help refine your search. By utilizing these filters, you can easily locate specific customer sales orders based on a wide range of criteria, improving your efficiency in reviewing order records. Click Show All to display detailed information for all the transactions listed in the grid. The transaction window will display a transaction selector at the bottom. You can click the arrow buttons in this selector to view each transaction on the list in detail. Press F3 to display any comments associated with the selected transaction. To close the Lookup Transactions window, press Escape, or click the close icon in the top right corner of the window. This manual should assist you in efficiently using the Lookup Transactions window to search, view, and manage customer sales order transactions in AAAPOS RetailManager.